Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle, just in case you didn't know. Now you do. Welcome. Don't forget to subscribe if you end up liking the video. Today's video is going to be all about clothes I wish came in 5X, which happens to be my size. I went to you guys on my Instagram a couple weeks ago now and asked for store suggestions to look at for stores that you wish carried more sizes, specifically up to a 5X or 6X depending on, you know, how things fit. I've picked a few things from each store. I tried to look at their new in section and I figured we could go through each one. I'll include links to everything in the description box in case you're interested. Some of these actually do come in plus sizes, they just don't come in my plus size. Alright, first store is smash+tess, and I have been begging them on Instagram pretty regularly to start carrying more sizes. I've also been putting, you know, the little bug in other retailers' ears that carry them to start requesting larger sizes, because the more they request it, the more likely they are to make them. Currently they go up to XXL, which is fine. Some of their styles I have seen them in a 4XL, but I'll be honest, like, that's not good enough. XXL, double extra large, etc. are not actually true plus sizes. There's actually like a gap, a couple inches gap between where like straight sizes stop and true plus sizes start. So if you're going to continue on and just keep going up in sizes, like a 6XL really fits 2 sizes smaller when you are shopping plus, because they don't have that gap in sizing, which really throws you off when you're trying to shop. But if you keep that in mind, you know, like, I actually do need more like a 7XL, like, so anyway. And yeah, it seems like a really intimidating number to say, like, can you make like a 7 or an 8XL? And you're like, oh my god, that's so big. It's not. You need to think that you're going down 2 sizes. It's like shopping in UK sizes. When you're getting a 32 UK, it's actually like a 26. So anyways, or no, a 28. It's a 28. Okay, so one of the ones that jumped out to me was the Not Your Average Romper in Midnight Black. I like black. Also, I wouldn't wear a light color necessarily all the time for a romper, because like I'd be so scared I'd sit in something. I just don't wear light things on the bottom because I am too accident prone. Like, I love that smash+tess actually put, you can shop and like the website's behind the camera, so you can see things on other sizes. So you can see it on like double extra large, triple extra large. That's great, amazing. What I don't like is their size calculator. You have to put in your height and then you put in your weight, which anywhere I have to enter my weight, which I haven't weighed myself in like, I don't know, 10 years. So I don't think like your weight should be a determinant of, or is a determinant of, what size you wear. I do understand like they need to have some way to calculate it, but a size chart. Just put a size chart with measurements, so I can take my measurements and decide, do I want to fit into this? Like, will this fit around my body? And like, do I want it to be super tight? Do I want it to not be tight? Yeah, I do not enjoy that at all. This one's really cute because it has like tie knots at the shoulder. I'll show you, it's cute. It's on the screen right now. Probably has been for a while. Alright, so we're gonna move on to Anthropologie. I tried to collect 3 from each, but I may not show you all 3 because I don't want to be here forever. Okay, Anthropologie. My thoughts are the models are all so thin. Like, sometimes they look like you can see all their bones sticking out. I don't know. It's I understand that they're going for a look. They definitely aren't the worst in terms of like, they have a very diverse range of races, that's for sure, which is great, but they really need to diversify their sizes. If the thing comes in an extra large, put it on someone who wears an extra large too. So yeah, anyway, the first item I pulled up was this really fun sweater. It's called the Farm Rio Banana Colorblocked Cardigan. This is available in standard and petite, but not plus, even though Anthropologie does technically carry plus. Obviously not all their brands are plus, so and their larger size is an extra large. It does look a little oversized, but like if you wanted to fit the same way it's shown in the photo, you can't get that if you are like a 1X buying an extra large. It's just not going to be that way. Okay, so this was really cute. I did kind of struggle at Anthropologie to find things that I liked because it's very boho and I am not very boho. So, but this is really cute. It's the Pilcro denim overall skirt. So it's sort of like a pinafore, but without like the bib part. It's longer, it's midi. It goes up to a size 16, which is okay. And it's got a good wash to it too. Looks a little vintagey. I really enjoy that. And yeah, I would definitely wear the shit out of this if it came in my size. The final thing I picked from Anthropologie are these wide-legged pants. They're called the Maeve Colette cropped wide leg pants. So I'm always on the hunt for wide leg pants to deal with my lymphedema, but I just like how these looked. They're hot pink. I mean, they do come in other colors. They are also available in plus up to a size 24. So get on it if you want them. They have these really cool like patch pockets on the front. They're available in standard, tall, and petite as well as plus. Okay, let's move along to Vero Moda. I didn't really have any like impressions of the site. Very like clean lines, simple silhouettes, nothing too complicated, but a little like elevated, you know, just a little classier. So my first choice is the HELYN tied shoulder straps maxi dress. It's like a navy, they called it navy blazer color. It comes up to an extra large. I just think this would be so much fun to wear. It's midi length, super, I don't know, just light and airy to wear in the summertime. And I would probably wear this all the time. I'm on the hunt for a good midi dress. I don't like mini dresses because I feel like I have to wear leggings with them, and I only have one maxi dress, so like I don't need more than that. Okay, so then the other one I picked was the Kathy super high waist wide leg fit jeans. Again, I like wide leg. They come up to a waist size of 32, which is basically just the measurement around your waist. They go from 25 to 32, and you can also get them in 2 lengths, but obviously like I don't fit into any of those sizes. This would be really distracting, I guess. Like, I don't know, distracting. Like, I would think I wear a 32 in pants, and if I saw this and didn't know that this is a straight size only store, I would think, oh great, I can buy from them, and end up with pants that won't even cover my thighs. Urban Outfitters. I've only ever shopped on Urban Outfitters like once. I go into the store occasionally, but I really don't feel comfortable in there because I can't shop for clothing and like all the staff stare at you when you're in there and you're fat. So at least the one I go to. It's very like Y2K, like I lived through Y2K and they're trying to recreate that. So it was interesting scrolling. It felt like I was reading a like J14 magazine as I was scrolling through. So okay, so these first ones are a pair of wide leg pants. They are the Daisy Street Laura high-waisted puddle pant. So they really do puddle on the floor. They're long enough. They come in 4 different patterns or like colors of the plaid, and they come up to a whopping size large. I would love pattern pants. It's one thing that, like, I have pattern pants, but like nobody makes anything with like lines on them for plus size, and I would just like a nice wide leg pair of plaid pants that are just like a statement pant, and nobody really offers that. Apparently we're not allowed to show our, like, emphasize our bottom half as a fat person, but you know what, I would rock these regularly as a fat person. So, and this one is a trend I've seen everywhere. I don't know if it's over yet or not, but it is the spliced t-shirt. This one is technically a dress. They've clearly actually made this specifically to look spliced but isn't spliced, because you can see the collar is sewn, like the seam is on the inside and not the outside, so they've like made the collar properly, but they've put a seam down the middle of the dress. So anyways, it only comes in a small and a large, and even that seems a little restrictive for Urban Outfitters. They at least usually offer like an extra small to extra large, but okay. And it comes in like 2 different color options that look like vintage t-shirts but probably aren't actually vintage t-shirts. So yeah, I would probably wear these. In fact, I'm tempted to make my own and potentially make some for my website. So anyways, moving right along to Everlane. So they are like an eco/ethical brand. They claim to be ethical, but they actually aren't, because they kind of treat their employees like garbage and aren't as ethical as they claim. So anyways, the first thing that jumped out at me was the linen picnic top in a color they call Azure. It's like a bright oceany blue color, and this goes from a size 00 up to a size 16. Great, cool, goes up to a 16. Why stop there, Everlane? Like, come on, you could go all the way up to 32, you know? And it is 100% linen. They give instructions on like how to wash it and everything. It's super cute, just like basic button top that like kind of like this, it buttons like this. It's sort of like a slight sweetheart neckline. I don't know why I'm telling you this, you're looking at it on the screen, but why can't I own this? You know, just make it in my size. If you really want to be an ethical business, you make things in all sizes. Going on to the next item from Everlane, and that is the weekend tiered dress. This has a maximum size of extra large. I wish this came in other colors. I hate the color it is now, but I love like the style of it with all the tiers. The tiers could be a little fluffier, but I mean, that's just me. So yeah, I hate this color though, but if it came in that blue, I would wear it all the time. Definitely feel like this should be available all the way up to a 6X, but you know, what do I know? I'm just a fat person looking to buy clothes. We're gonna move on to Free People. This one wasn't really my style at all. It's very like surfer, boho, tan, thin people, but I mean, the thin people is the problem. Not that thin people are the problem, but that there's only thin people there is the problem. So I saw this like set in a solid color before, but then I came across it in a pattern. It's called the Malibu pattern sweater set, and it's like knitted shorts and a knitted sweater, and it's just so fun. It's kind of oversized, stretchy, and it just looks so comfortable. I would wear this all the time. I would never take it off in my house. Like, I love wearing a sweater in my house and like short bottoms, you know, like biker shorts or like not long pants. So yeah, I would wear this all the time. And then I was scrolling probably on like the 6th page of the new in section of Free People, and I saw these. They are the Kiki shorts. They come up to a size extra large. We all know my love of leopard pattern, and this is leopard, not cheetah, because of the style of pattern it is. So they just look so comfy and so much fun. Little like ruffled shorts. Nobody ever makes ruffled shorts for fat people, you know. They would be super cute, and with like the high-waisted stretchy band, it'd be so easy to wear. It would kind of be like being able to wear maternity pants. I've heard that's really comfy. So anyway, would have bought these if they were available in a 5X or a 6X. So, and we have breezed through. We are at Zara. Zara was so weird to shop on. Like, at first there was like one product on the page and I was so confused. I had no idea what the hell was going on. Yeah, anyway, so I would like these lavender colored wide leg jeans because no one makes colored wide leg jeans for fat people. These only come up to like go up to a 32 waist, which converts to a size 14, I think. So, but they're sold out of that. And they have these in so many different colors. There's light wash blue, navy blue, then there's this like yellow, like, I don't know, yellow green color, and it's kind of like cantaloupe orange color. They're all great. They had a ton of different colors actually back on the main part of the website, but these just look like so much fun, and I love this color, and I would wear them all the time because I love wearing jeans, and I would, you know, probably never take them off. And I've heard Zara jeans are really like comfy. And of course it's matched with this jacquard crop top. This like ties in the back, which is really interesting, and ties at your neck. It's sort of like a bikini top almost, except it's like high neck and whatever. I like the pattern of this. It looks really fun, and nobody makes like stuff like this for fat people, so I just feel like it's a missed opportunity by not offering it in more sizes. And it's currently only offered in a small, medium, and large, which aren't available yet because it's like a coming soon thing. So, alright, and the final thing from Zara is this crocheted knit top. Looks like a sweater vest, except it's like fun colors and all kinds of knit patterns. Comes in 2 different colorways. So there is like a more muted, like lilac, light pink, like green and brown color, and then there is one with blue, orange, pink, and a bit of lilac, I think is the colorway. Anyway, there's only a small left, but it only comes in small, medium, large. So yeah, I would have worn this all the time. That you could wear this in the summertime as just like a top. You could wear it in the winter, layered over stuff. It would get so much use. All the time I would be wearing it. But of course not, because it does not come in my size. Alright everybody, that's all the stores and things I have for you today. If you liked this video, don't forget to actually give it a like. If you want to see more like this, subscribe, stick around, hang out. And if you have any suggestions for other stores that you think should be carrying more plus sizes or actually carrying plus sizes, leave them in the comments below. Was there a favorite thing? What of this would you purchase? Because I would purchase it all, to be honest. I would be very, very broke. So, thanks so much for hanging out with me today, and I will see you guys soon. Bye!